Alright, this one says, which of the following statement is true? A, 3 is a multiple of 9. Well, 3 is not a multiple of 9, right? 9 is a multiple of 3. 3 is not an integer. 3 is actually an integer. An integer is a positive or a negative number. So that is not true. 9 is a prime number. Now we know that 9 is not a prime number because it has factors 1, 3, and 9. So that leaves us with D. 9 is a factor of 9. And as we always discussed, all numbers are factors of themselves. Let's look at 2. Which of the following set of number contain all the factors of 20? 4, 2, 4, 5, 10. That would not be true. 1 is a factor of all numbers. So this would make this one be true. Alright, guys. So go ahead and do number 3 and number 4. What is 4 raised to the third power? And number 4 says, what is the square root of 121? Alright, so this one says, what is 4 raised to the third power? And we know that when a number is raised to the power, it means that the power tells us how many times the number must be multiplied by itself. So it means that 4 must multiply by itself 3 times. 4, 4, 16. 4 times 16, 64. So our answer would be D. Number 4 says, what's the square root of 121? And of course, that would be 11. Good job, guys. Good job. You guys got this one. Alright, number 5, guys, is not a part of your syllabus, but I want you guys to try saying it. For number 5, so do 5 and 6. It's not a part of your syllabus, but still try, alright? And we'll discuss it. Syllabus. We're still gonna look at it, alright? So what is 630,000 written in standard form? So this is how you approach these questions. Standard form mean the decimal point should be here. So we're gonna move the decimal point and take it to here. So somebody might say, sir, but where is the decimal point? We don't see no decimal point. Right here is the decimal point. The decimal point is located at all whole numbers to the right, right? So we say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's gonna just write 6.3 times 10 to the number of places where you move. And in this case, we move 5 places, right? Let me check again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. So it would have been A. Alright, this one says, what is 3.2 times 10 to the third power? Now, 10 to the third power, we can actually convert this like this, right? 10 to the third means 10 times 10 times 10. So I did this, and I was saying that was very good. So it's 10 times 10 times 10, which 10, 10, 100, right? And then you times 100 by 10, you're going to get 1,000. So in essence, we're just multiplying this number by 1,000. And we know that when we multiply by 1,000, we're just going to move the decimal point 3 times. So we can add some zeros and make sure we can move it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So it will be 3,200. We're going to skip number 7, guys. Number 7 is not a part of the thing. Number 8 as well, not a part of the syllabus. But these, I want to see how well you guys do these. Solve 1 plus 0.5 plus 0.06 minus 0.3. Try that one and number 10. Alright, and then we come back and discuss. For this one, what we have to do, we do it from left to right. So we have to add first. But once you add in, remember decimal point should be under decimal point. So this one can be written as 1.00. This is the same as 1. And the rule state decimal point under decimal point. So you can literally put in a decimal point first and then put in the others. This is 0.06, so put a decimal point, that means 0.6 come here. And then add, right? 6 plus 0, 6. 5 plus that, 0, 5. So this gives you 1.56. However, you need to take away the 1.3 from it. So again, decimal point on a decimal point. That's the rule, very important. And then we can subtract. 0 from 6, leave 6. 3 from 5, leave 2. And then 0 from 1, leave 1. Alright, so Mila got that. Good job, good job. This one now, all three got this one correct. Good job. So this one say a customer has $233.21. So this is what the person has in his account. A pound, you know, guys, a pound. But I say a little tip of money and a Jamaica dollar. And he pays in. That means it's gonna increase. So we're gonna add. So 0 plus 1 is 1. 9 plus 2, 11. Put a decimal point, very important. 8 and 3, 11. And 1, 12. 2 carry 1. 7 and 3, 10 and 1, 11. Carry 1. So basically, he now has $312.11. However, he transferred. That means he's gonna give his friend this. What a generous person, right? So it's 55.75. Gonna subtract that now. And a whole lot of borrowing. 5 from 1 you can't, so you borrow. 5 from 11 leave 6. 7 from 0 we can't again, so we are going to borrow. Leave 1. This become 10. 7 from 10 leave 3. Okay, decimal point. 5 from 1 we can't, so we are going to borrow again. And this become 11. 5 from 11 leave 6. And then 5 from 30, right? Leave 25. So it's 256.36. Everyone got that one correct. Good job. Alright, try these now, guys. 11 and 12. What is... And you can see 13 as well. Yeah. You say, what is... Look, do these three. What is 69 times 3.07? And then number 12 says, a bottle of medicine holds 20 centiliters. How many 0.5 centiliter measure of medicine in this? And number 13, what is 0.6 times 0.04? Yeah. So you say, what is 69 times 3.07, right? So we ignore the decimal point and we just multiply it normal first. Just like regular whole numbers, and then you put what the decimal number, right? 9763, 6 carry 3, 900, 0 plus 6, 6. So move on to the next one now. 9 times 3, 27. So we put down all of that. And then you put a 0 because we're going to multiply by 60 now. So we can get rid of this 6, right? As a fresh start now. 6, 7, 42. So 4 carry the 2. 600 plus 4, which is good. Notice I put the numbers under the numbers. 6 3 is 18, so 8 carry 1. and then you have 3, 8. So we add in 7 and 4, 11. 1 carry 1. 8 and 2, 10 plus 1, 11. So it's 211, 83. But we had 2 decimal place. So we come back and we say 1, 2. So our answer would be B. This one now can be a little bit tricky. Yeah. It's like you have 20 divided by 0.5, right? Because it is saying how many 0.5 is in there. So we're going to be dividing by 0.5. But the rule states once we divide it by a decimal, we convert it to a whole number. So we move this one time. So this becomes 5. However, we have to do the same to the dividend. So whatever we do to the divisor, we have to do it to the dividend. Now the decimal point is right here, so we have to move it one time. So this now becomes 200. So it's 200 divided by 5, which is 40. Another way you can look at it, guys, you can say to yourself, 0.5 is like a half, right? How many halves is in 20? Wouldn't it be 40 halves? Because 0.5 plus 0.5, that make 1. So if two of them, 0.5 in 1, it means that for 20, you multiply by 2, which gives you the 40. Alright, this one is rather easy, 13, but that's if you know the rule. If you don't know the rule, it can be difficult. So all we do, we ignore the decimal point and we just multiply 6 times 4, which is 24. That's how I did that. But then we have 3 decimal places, right? 1, 2, 3. So we just move 3 times. 1, alright, I forgot to put on our next one. 2, 3. So it's 3 decimal places. So that would be D. Good job on that one. Alright, this one now is gonna be, this one might take a little time. So go ahead and do 14. Find the total cost of 1.5 kilogram of tomatoes at $4.68 per kilogram and 0.75 kilogram of grapes at $18.60 per kilogram. Hope you guys go supermarket too, so you can learn to check money and all of them something. And know about tax and percent and discount. Let's say find the total cost of 1.5 kilogram of tomatoes at $4.68 per kilogram. So it means that we're gonna be paying $4.68 per kilogram. But if you notice, it's 1.5 kilograms. So what we can do, ignore the decimal point and we just multiply it, right? Because that's what we do. We multiply it by the unit cost. For Pep, that's one thing you have to be able to do, guys. Especially for the performance task, unit cost, you have to know if you calculate. Alright? Money and them something. 5, 8, 40. 5, 6, 30 plus 4, 34. 5, 4 is 20 plus 3, 23. So that's the first step, right? Now we're going to be multiplying by 10, so we just put a 0. 188, 166, 144. Add 0, 4 and 8, 12. 2 carry the 1. 6 and 3, 9 and 1, 10. So 0 carry 1. So this gives us 7020. Makes sense, right? Because if 1 kilogram costs about $4.68, then it would cost about $7 for 1.5 kilogram because it don't reach 8. About if you add this, it will probably give you $9 something, right? Because this costs 50 cents. So $7 makes sense. Now we need to find the total for this. Now grapes cost $18.60 per kilogram. But guess what? It don't reach kilogram, it's 3/4 of a kilogram or 0.75. So we do the same thing and we multiply by 75. But we are ignoring the decimal point. So 500, 5630 5, 8, 40, and that 43. 5 ones 5, and that 9. So we're done with that one. We put the 0, 7, 0, 0, 7, 6, 42, 7, 8, 56, plus that 60, 7, 1, 7, and that 13. We have to add now, so we have 0, 0, 5, 9, 3, 1. But we need to check the number of decimal places. This is 2, and this is 2, so that's 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So it works out to $13.95. And this one works out to $7.02. So we add now 7, 9. Yeah, Mia, yours correct. 20.97. So it would be C. Very good. Alright, try this one, guys. A customer buys 2 packs of spice buns that cost $4.40 each, and 1 jar of coffee that costs $9.44. How much change should the customer receive from $20? Good luck with that one. And you can just solve the fraction at 2 and 5/6 plus 1 1/4. Alright, so it says a customer buys 2 packs of spice bun that cost $4.40 each, and 1 jar of coffee that costs $9.44. How much change would the customer receive from $20? So if it's $4.40 each, and the person bought 2, you can either add it twice or multiply it by 2. You could just add in this case. So it would be 0, 8, $4, not $4, $8.80. Hold on, guys. Remember about this. So this is what the spice buns cost. However, they buy the coffee jar, right? So we're gonna add that to it. $9.44. I'll just go ahead and add 4 and 8, 12, 2 carry the 1, 9 and 1, 10, so that's $18.24. But they didn't ask us for the total. They say, how much change would the customer receive from $20? So you put your $20 and you subtract $18 from it. Or you could have added each one of these numbers and see which one of them get $20 to the 1824. You could have done that as well. So we're gonna borrow this, leave 1, 7, 8, 9, eventually 9. 4 from 10 leave 6, 2 from 9 leave 7, 8 from 9 leave 1, 1 from 1, 0. So our answer, or the change, would be $1.76. For this one, it says solve 2 and 5/6 plus 1 1/4. So two ways we can do it. We can either add the two whole numbers. Yeah, we could do that. So we can add 2 plus 1 to give us 3. And then we add the fraction by itself. So we add 5/6 1/4. Once you add in and subtracting, you must find the LCM. If they are not the same denominator. So in this case, the LCM will be 12, which is the lowest number. Both of them can go into 6 and 4. So 6 into 12 goes 2 times. 5 times 2 is 10. 4 into 12 goes 3 times. 1 times 3, 3. So at the top now, 10 plus 3 is 13 over 12. However, 12 can go into this 1 time and remain the 1 over 12. So what we need to do is just add this 3 to it. which gives us 4 and 1 over 12. So our answer would be C. All right, let's see if we can do 17 while showing these as solve 17, guys. 2 and 3, 8 minus 1 and 1 12.
So, sir, what I did, I converted, sir, the 2 and 3 over 8, sir, and the 1 and 1/3, sir. So I said 8 to 16, sir, plus the 3, 19 over 8, sir. Take away 4 over 3, sir. 3 1's 3 plus the 4, 4 over 3, sir.
Okay.
So, sir, then I found the lowest common multiple for the both of them, sir, which is 24. So 8 into 24, sir, goes 3 times the 19 times the 3, sir, is 57. Then take away how much I can 3 going to 24, 8, sir. 4 8 32.
Very good.
Sir, then I subtracted the both of them, sir, and I got 25, sir. Then I put it over 24, sir. And then I said, how much I get 24 going to 25? 1 time, sir, and 1 over 24, sir. So 24 times 1, 24 plus that 1, sir, you get back your 25.
Yeah, very good. So that's A. All right, this will be the last one. I said I was going to, but we're going into the fraction. So this will be the last one, guys. Same subtraction. Next class, tomorrow we continue with 90. All right, this is the last one. Good job.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, man, go ahead, Carolina.
You can scroll up back to number 27. I want to see how she work it out.
Oh, 17. All right.
Yes.
It's actually 17. All right, write it down, guys. 4 and 2/5 minus 3 and a half. I'm going to go back up. I suppose you can see everything. No. 4 and 2/5. Give me a second, guys. I soon go back there.
Sir, I converted the 4 and 2/5, sir, into 22 over 5, and the 3 and a half into 7 over 2, sir.
All right. So 4, 5, 20, and that 22 over 5. Continue.
So, sir, then I found the lowest common multiple, sir, which is 10. So 5 into 10, sir, 2. 2 times 22, 44. Take away 2 into 10, 5. 5 7's 35, sir. So
Very
44 take away 35 equals 9, sir, over 10.
Very
And you
good.
just leave it there, sir.
Very good. Awesome. All right. So, guys, we're going to end there, but tomorrow we continue from 19. All right. Very good.
Bye, sir.
Bye. Take care. See you guys tomorrow.